Where are all the patriots of the 1776 Restoration Movement? What do you guys think? Good morning, everybody. This is the Robert Escobar Show for Friday, July 15th. I'm making these videos because I think the system is broken. I think we need to use the internet and social media to inform and organize each other to create solutions. My question for today, where are all the patriots of the 1776 Restoration Movement? It's been a week since I issued my challenge, and not one of them has the courage to defend this movement. Why is that? On Sunday, I went on Polish Agnes. She choked. Her only argument was, you need to come out here and see the movement for yourself. If you don't, then you can't call it a scam. So it's like the Matrix. You have to see it yourself. If not, then you won't believe it's a real movement. Something like that along those lines. I don't know. Chris from What You See Is What You Get TV, he ran after I tried to explain to him where I was coming from, why I didn't respect them. Mag American said he would debate anybody except me, apparently. He said he was too busy sitting in a park bench to debate me. Okay. So what is the word that you would use to describe this people? Because I don't think patriot is the right word, right? What's the word that you would use to describe someone who says that they're fighting for freedom, but then when you ask them, how are you fighting for freedom? Defend the movement, and what it's accomplished. They, run, ban, and censor you. Well, what do you guys think? Let me know. Have a great day.